Hi, my name is Bailey. I will be your tour guide. Let's go see what's so cool about manufacturing at Aquaphoenix.
The hardest part about my job, because this is a manufacturing facility, sometimes we have to make things in very large quantities. So that gets hard a little bit physically or scaling up, but there's lots of processes in place to help make that easier for us. I really like blue solutions, sort of like this one. We have one where it starts out real light blue, and then we add a basic solution to it, and it goes to a royal blue. So I like color changes. I really do enjoy when I'm mixing things and something unexpected happens color-wise. I think it's cool, again, that I can make something that a customer needs. They have a need, and I can make that for them and get it to them when they need it, and it functions right for them and does the job that they need done.
At Aquaphoenix, what's really cool is all the people are awesome. It's the friendliest group of people I've ever worked for, and they really care about making things better. So all the time there's new projects going on to fix things and make things better so that we can get more done in a more efficient way without people having to work hard to do it.
About our industry, I think as big as we are, I don't think they would recognize that Aquaphoenix has over 160 employees. I think that sometimes when we bring customers into our facility, they go a little, wow, look at the size of this operation and what we do here for them. Well, we talk about our core values. I think a lot of the times when you look at what Aquaphoenix sells in the market, why do they want to buy our products? So when I think about our quality, our customer service, our ability to deliver same or next day, I think that's what differentiates ourselves from our competitors. So we always strive to take care of the customer's expectations, and that's big. That's something we do every day, is really wow our customers. It's part of our core values.
Thank you for watching, and thanks to our sponsors.